Hey friends, how's it going? As you're hopping on, say hello. Y'all, my name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle, and I'm just hopping on here to share an idea with y'all. Hope you've had a great day. God, what about the storm? Is anybody getting anything from the storm? It's crazy. Actually, we've just been having rain and wind the last little while. But a few minutes ago, I heard something and I looked out the window and it was like, wind blowing. I hope everybody's doing okay. Hey, Joyce and Kathy. Y'all, we're going to work on this big board tonight. I love this one. And y'all, I still had a Christmas scene on it from last year and I cleaned it off today. Hey, Susie. How's it going? Hey, Joanne from North Carolina. Y'all, I'm coming at you from Tennessee, formerly Alabama. Hey, Janet. Janet's in South Alabama. How's the weather down there? I think the storm's already passed down there, hadn't it? I think so. Anyway, we're going to use one of our new designs. But the other day I shared this board. And somebody wanted to see how big it was. So that's how big it is. Both of these are similar, like in my opinion, kind of farmhouse distressed. I love them. Hey, Lori and Gina, how's it going? Hey, Anita. I hope y'all are doing good. Y'all, we're going to do this one in, it's called Holy Night. And it's great. We've got several round boards that this will fit on perfectly. But I thought it would be pretty on here and then have a wreath at the top. What do y'all think? Hey, Darlene and Kathy. Debbie watching from Pennsylvania. Anybody in any of the hurricane areas? Y'all, this is a big one. It's 18 by 18. It's one of my favorites. It's new. I gotta get some water. Hey, Roberta. All right, I'm adding a little fuzz to the back of this. It just lessens the stickiness a little bit. But then when you clean it, it's all sticky again. But this would be pretty on either one of our rounds. We have like a round chalkboard. Then we have like a round wood board. But I thought it would be pretty on here too. Hey, Elsie. Thank you for sprinkling, Chris. Yeah, y'all be sure to sprinkle, spread the love. I'm going to scoot it down because I'm going to... This is the wreath that I've got that I put up there at the top. And, because this is really for a round board, I'm going to have some of the greenery. Some will show, some won't, but that's okay. Thank you, Wanda. Yeah, I changed up everything today. After Jenny did her pumpkin, I said, I'm going to change up the background. I'm going to put my nutcracker over here. Y'all, I got stuff to do another nutcracker. And I think I'm going to be doing him like he's a baker. I got some ideas. I always have ideas. I love crafting. Y'all love crafting? If you love crafting, I hope you're a Perks member. All right, I'm going to just smoothing all this out. This is the wreath that I'm going to be using. It's from Hobby Lobby from several years ago. And I'm going to do all of this in a color called vanilla. The wood on here is like an off-white. Hey, Melody. Thank you, Sherry, for sprinkling. I thought that'll be so pretty. And this is called Holy Night. It's a silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. And you could totally do, you know, any colors you want. But I'm going to make it kind of look classic. Classic is my hope. And this is a chalkboard. I reuse it. What does it mean to sprinkle? That just means to share. So, you know, there's a share button on here. So you just hit that share button and share it with anybody you think would like it. And y'all, oh my gosh, last night I could not sleep. And I don't know, yesterday I was kind of lazy. And I drank a bunch of tea. I like half and half tea. Well, I like sweet tea, but I don't like all the sugar. So I made me some half and half tea, and I drank a lot of tea. And I was like, I don't know if it's because I was lazy and I wasn't active enough to be tired last night. But I was like, oh my gosh. I kept trying to go to sleep, and I couldn't go to sleep. Nothing was bothering me. Y'all ever get like that? And listen, if you want the supplies tonight, just comment Holy, H-O-L-Y. Yeah, silver or gold would show up on here too. I think I saw somebody ask. And especially what would look really, really good is nominee. Nominee is one of my favorite. And, you know, we might leave this on here for a little while, and then we might go change it up. That's the great thing about a chalkboard. All right. Let me see if I can show y'all the reveal. And like I said, this is a large board. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to have to lay it down so I can help myself. This is 18 by 18, this design. I'm going to put it back on the backer sheet. I have to take this to my kitchen sink to clean it. It's big. It's a biggie. But y'all, that's how easy it is. And look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I think everything's crooked. Not this, but my desk. And like I said, the key word is holy. And what that means is if you type the word holy, H-O-L-Y, you're going to get a message from me. And that message is going to have the items that I use. Yes, it'll fit on the 18-inch round. I said that when I first got on here. Thank you, Lori. Whoops. Thanks for the stars, Chris. This transfer is so pretty. It'll look good on any of our round boards. I think it looks awesome on here because that paste is about the same color as the wood. I also put a link for this chalkboard and the other one in case y'all want to grab those. These are great statement pieces. And these big, beautiful designs that we have, like this North Pole, this would be pretty on here too. Yeah, if you use one of the rounds, this would be pretty on your front door. Holy, H-O-L-Y. Thanks, Chris. What do y'all think about, did y'all hear me say I want to do a nutcracker, but let him be a baker? Because I got some ideas. Oh, thank you, Karen. Did y'all see when I did that? That might have been July when I did that. Thanks, Sharon. Hey, Kathy. Anyway, this holy night would look good on so many things. And listen, depending on what kind of board, you wouldn't even have to put the leaves and stuff around it. You could just leave those off and do like the center part. If you, you know, depending on what you're going to put it on. But it'll fit so many things. Chris, thanks for the stars party. Anyway, do y'all ever have sleepless nights? That's what I had last night. And tonight, I'm kind of dragging. I have seen nutcrackers dressed in so many different ways. Oh yeah, you like the church? That's one of my favorites too. Y'all, I have so many favorites. I love them. And listen, if you're a Perks member, I put a link. If you're not a Perks member, I put a link for that too. And then I've got one of these command hooks up here at the top. That way I can hang this wreath or any kind of wreath on here I want. But look how pretty that is. Can y'all see that? I mean, if you had that on the wall, you don't need much else. Just make sure that you're following the page and that you're part of the broadcast system. Thanks, Anita. I'm going to move this. Let's sit it back here for a second. I know a lot of y'all got this board, but if you want it, just type the word holy, H-O-L-Y, and I've got all the links for you. Oops. Gotta be careful. Isn't that gorgeous? And y'all, here's another. I did this one Tuesday. This would be pretty on that board too. North might be tight, but I just love how that looks with the white. It's off-white, and then I use vanilla. It's H-O-L-Y. It's called Holy Night, I think. Yes. But the keyword's holy. And then here's the other chalkboard that I showed the other day. And I don't know who it was. Somebody wanted to see how big it is. I'm going to put a Christmas scene on here too, but that'll be another night. But you can see they're both really, they're big. This is distressed. It's, you know, kind of farmhousey like I like. And my favorite time of the year to decorate is Christmas. Christy loves the tree transfer. Oh, the North Pole? Yes. And look, I've listed all the items that I used. So if you type holy, you're going to get a message from me. And then you can just click on the links to see, you know, all the stuff. All the stuff. But I'm excited about the Nutcracker. I'm going to make a couple more. All the chalkboards are listed. If you type holy, just check your messages. Y'all, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to try to go to bed early tonight and see if I sleep. But I hope y'all have a great night. And look, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. It's so fun to see everybody. Hopefully you're inspired. I'm just like I just love this time of year. And thank y'all so much. Wendy, we only have online catalogs. So if you go to the site at the top, let me see what it says. And the online catalogs are beautiful. It's called a lookbook. So just click on lookbook and look at, I mean, oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty. Chalkboard tray. Now, everything I showed is a chalkboard. All right, y'all. Love you guys. See you later.